You don't. Hello, Huckleberries, and welcome to my first official giveaway. One of you fun people will be going home, will be getting at your home a pair of wireless Bluetooth headphones. Yay! So this company, I think it's called Edifier or Edifear. This company reached out to me. They offered to send me some headphones for myself and one extra to give away to one of my Huckleberries. So I used to have some Beats by Dre and they got completely destroyed out in Hawaii, and I have been living a very sad existence without my wireless headphones, and I'm very happy to be trying these out today for you guys. But I wanted to try them out in a fun kind of way. Ugh, but we are going to be doing the singing with noise canceling headphones challenge. And for those of you who don't know what this is, I don't know, 1 or 2 years ago maybe, this was a very popular video. Oh my gosh, that sun is so bright. This was a huge trend for a while, putting on headphones so you can't hear yourself sing and then record yourself singing, and it's awful every time. I've watched a few of these and they're all terrible. So I'm really excited to make a fool of myself, but it's the perfect fun little way for me to try out these headphones. Before we get into the embarrassing things, let me just tell you what you guys need to do in order to take home these headphones. Or well, technically these headphones, because I'm gonna just keep it in the box. There are 5 things you guys need to do in order to win this contest. I don't really get many views these days. My channel's sort of dying or whatever. It's just not going well. So your chances of winning are so high. So do this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. 1 second. I'm like on my knee right now. Whew, that's uncomfortable. Okay. This angle is not great. Okay. Here are the 5 things you guys need to do in order to enter the contest. You need to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to hit that bell button, you can do that too. You need to like this video, give it a big ol' thumbs up. You need to subscribe to my Instagram account, that's at holli.huckleberry. You need to share this video, and you need to comment on this video. What I would like you guys to comment is your Instagram handle, and you also need to comment one video idea that you guys want to see from me, because I want to know what you guys want to see. I will be writing those directions down in the description so that you don't miss any of those 5 steps, but it'll only take you like 30 seconds. So do it. And in about 72 hours from the time of this posting, so 3 full days, I will be picking the winner. This is so exciting. So without further ado, let's give these headphones a try and sing terribly off key. Oh, yay. I've got them charging over here. Oh, I'm so excited to have headphones again. Oh God, I'm nervous. This is awful. Okay. The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. Let it go, let it go. I'm one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I stay. Let the storm rage on. My soul is spiraling in frozen fractals all around. And one thought crystallizes like an icy blast. I'm never going back. The past is in the past. Let it go, let it go. I'm gonna rise like the break of dawn. Let it go, let it go. That perfect goal is gone. Here I stand in the light. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. Oh my God. Oh my god, I'm hyperventilating right now. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Oh my god. You are walking into a fucking disaster.
I heard it.
Oh my god! Are you serious?
You're so loud.
Oh my god! That's so terrifying. I'm so fucking embarrassed right now. Oh my god.
I like came walking outside and at first I thought it was like a weird bird or something because you're like just so far away too. Like what the fuck is that?
Oh my god. They gonna rip up your head, your aspiration to shred. Another cog in the murder machine. They said a teenager scare the living shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed. So darken your clothes, I'll strike a violent pose. Maybe they'll leave you alone, but not me. Oh! In the middle of a gunfight, in the center of a restaurant, they say, come with your arms raised high. Well, they're never gonna get me. Like a bullet through a flock of doves to wage a war against your faith. And may your life will never be the same. On your mother's eyes, say a prayer. Say a prayer, yeah. Your room. What they ask of you will make you want to say so long. But I don't remember. I remember you. I love how emo we're getting. This is great. I'm so sweaty. Yes. Oh my god, yes. Don't fuck this up, Hall. Storming through the party like my name was El Nino. Well, I'm hanging back in the back of El Camino as a kid. Was a skid. No one knew my name. Just my own house party cause nobody came. I know I'm not the one you think of you back in high school. Never, shit. I don't want to waste my time. Become another casualty of society. Never fall in line. Become another victim of your conformity and back down. Don't count on me to let you know when. Don't count on me. I'll do it again. Don't count on me. It's the point you're missing. Don't count on me. Cause I'm not listening. Don't look at me. Mm-hmm. Oh no. Oh no. Ew. Oh my god, I'm dripping. Every day is so wonderful, and suddenly it's hard to breathe. I'm so scared right now. You are beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can't bring me down. Oh no, you are beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can bring you down. Oh no, so don't you bring me down today. No matter what they do, no matter what they say. Yeah, oh yeah, and everywhere we go, the sun is always shine the other side. Oh, yeah. Won't you bring me down today? Won't you bring me down today? God. Oh my god, the world is so quiet. I am screaming. I keep on falling in. Oh no, oh no. And out of love with you. I love this song. I'm gonna butcher it. Sometimes I love you. Oh. Sometimes you make me blue. This is not good. Sometimes I feel good. And other times I feel used. I'll be your darling. Gets me so confused. I'll keep on falling in and out of love with you. I'll never love someone the way that I loved you. Oh, 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 she's so scared of me right now. Falling, oh, 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 I'm falling. Oh, 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 I'll keep on falling in and out of love with you. I'll never love someone the way that I loved you. Every single day I walk down the street, I hear people say, baby, so sweet. Ever since puberty, everybody stares at me. Boys, girls, I can't help it, baby. So be kind and don't lose your mind. Just remember that I'm your baby. Take me for what I am. Who I was meant to be. And if you give a damn, take me, baby, or leave me. Are you still my baby? Oh my god. For what I am, who I was meant to be. And if you give a damn, take me, baby, or leave me. No way can I be what I'm not. And hey, don't you want your girl hot? Don't fight, don't lose your head. 'Cause every night, who's in your bed? Who? Who's in your bed? Oh. That's it. The straw that breaks my back. I quit unless you take it back. Women, what is it about them? I can't live with them or without them. Take me for what I am, who I was meant to be. And if you give a damn, take me, baby, or leave me. Take me, baby, or leave me. Oh, I'm not that far off. Okay, cool. Holy crap. All right, so if you guys want to get these headphones, honestly, I really like them. I used to have Beats, and it's been a few months since I had them, so to compare the quality of the sound, I'm just gonna assume the Beats are better, but I really can't tell. These are definitely better than the other headphones I've been using lately, so I'm super stoked. And the thing about these that I really like, that I did not like about Beats, was that they got really hot on my head. Now, I have been singing and dancing and sweating in a very hot room. These are not hot at all, which is super exciting for me. So yeah, I really like these. If you guys want these headphones, Follow the directions in the description box below. There are 5 very quick and easy little tasks that you guys need to do. Do that and one of you will win. Thank you guys for listening to me today. This was incredibly embarrassing. I have not heard the footage yet and I am terrified. I'll see you guys later.